This video will explain step-by-step how to fill out the Campus Research Day submission form. For a general overview of how to submit your proposal, please view our video entitled Signing Up for Campus Research Day, the Basics. To reach the submission form, please visit the Campus Research Day website, scan the QR code, or follow the provided link. Once you've logged into your account, the submission form will load. As you can see, the first required item to fill out is the presentation title. Remember that any of your information in your submission can be updated, as long as those changes are made prior to the final March 20 deadline. Next, make sure your name is already pre-filled below the presenter information heading. If not, you can search for a name by typing the last name or first name in the search box. If the name is already in our system, you'll be able to select it from the drop-down list. You can also manually enter author information by selecting the yellow pencil icon and filling in the blanks. To delete an author entry, simply click the red X icon. You can also add multiple author entries manually by selecting the green plus sign icon and filling in the blanks. Next, select what presentation type you're signing up for, either oral presentation or poster presentation from the drop-down menu. Remember that if you are planning to present more than one presentation, you will need to submit more than one proposal form. Continue filling out the form by selecting yes or no under competition status to verify if you wish to compete or not. More details about the competition are available in our YouTube video entitled Campus Research Day Competition. After competition status, be sure to enter your advising professor's name in the blank, followed by your professor's email address. If you marked that you are presenting an oral presentation, the Campus Research Day chair will be in touch with your professor to confirm your participation prior to the March 20 deadline. Next, mark your presentation location. If you are taking classes here on campus at Southern, please be sure to mark your location as on campus. Only students not taking in-person classes on campus should mark distance learning as their location. The next two headings are not required, but we do recommend you fill them out. First, select your preferred time slot from the options. Second, under the next heading, select another time slot that you could make work if necessary. Remember to keep both these times open in your schedule until the Campus Research Day official schedule has been sent out. We will attempt to put you in your preferred time choice, but we may have to utilize your second choice if too many people choose the same time frames. Note that some options have further details listed. For instance, all poster presenters should select the 2 to 3:15 p.m. option that is listed for poster sessions only. Oral competition presenters should likewise make sure to select the 8 a.m. time slot since that is the session for the oral competition. Furthermore, distance learners should make sure that they select the sessions marked virtual for distance learners in order to participate in a virtual session. All these details are listed next to the appropriate time slot. Next is another element that is not required but is recommended. Under Disciplines, please select the correct discipline under the heading titled Available. Then click the Select button and the discipline will be added to the selected section to the right. If you would like to remove a discipline from the selected list, simply select the discipline and click the Remove button. You may repeat these steps as needed for multiple disciplines. The next two text sections are also optional. However, if you are presenting an oral presentation, you must fill out the description heading with a working abstract for your research. An abstract is not required of poster presenters. Again, you can make changes at any time prior to the March 20 deadline. The comment section seen below the description may remain blank unless a specific clarifying comment is needed. Next, you have the option to upload the full text of your presentation, which is optional for poster presentations, but is required for all competitors in the oral presentation category. Click on your chosen method for uploading and complete the upload of the full text document. The optional heading entitled Additional Files allows the upload of more documents if necessary for your presentation. We especially recommend that those competing in the oral competition make sure that they upload a full text of their presentation in order for the judges to be able to review it prior to the session. You can proceed now to the next heading titled Presenter Phone Number and enter the needed contact information. Take note of the details about the phone number blanks prior to submitting the form. After reviewing the form and ensuring all the required elements are filled out, you can proceed to click the Submit button to send in your proposal. You will receive a confirmation email within 24 hours of submitting, verifying that your submission has been received. If you do not receive a confirmation email, please double check that the form was filled out correctly and the Submit button was pressed to complete the submission. If you still do not receive confirmation, please contact the Campus Research Day Chair immediately for further assistance, as your form may have not gone through. If you have a question, don't delay, ask today. To learn more about Campus Research Day, be sure to check out our other informational videos in this playlist. See you next time!